Okay, so I'm just going to hit gym, and just before hitting gym, I will just go and code a small thing. Like it is a small demonstration of CS3 animations. So there are a lot of way to animate an object. One of the way is to animate by CSS, not writing JS code. CSS animation, three animation, basically has two parts. One is you have to declare some keyframes. So keyframes you have to set like think what keyframe content is. It contains at what point you have to do what you how your element will look. Suppose you have there is another there are a couple of ways to use CS3 use to define keyframes. One way is to do either use from or to. Now if you define from, then it is the for initial value and to is the last value. So it will the thing the element will be animated from those two within those two values. Like it won't like the way the element looks in the screen will be will depend on these two values, the from value and the to value. Another way is you can define particular styles at particular point of time. Suppose at 0% you have this, 10% you have this, 20% you have this, 30% you have this. Like that you can like define the way like how it will look. So let's start. I've already declared a div. So now I will style the div. Let it class B box. Okay. So let's use dot box. It width will be 100 pixel. Height will be 100 pixel. Background color will be red, but we'll choose a color from Metal UI. Okay. Okay. And now, yeah, it's defined here. Now I will declare some keyframes here. So let's try the first way to define the keyframes. Uh, it is my keyframe, my animation, or like box animation would be good name to it. I'll say from. I'll also declare some values to like to make its position absolute. Top will be 0 pixel, left will be 0 pixel. Okay, I'll save this for now. Now keyframe left will be 0 pixel, to left will be 100 pixel. Okay, now we have to we have created some keyframe. Now to use this keyframe in the box class. Now the way to do it is we will use animation hyphen name. Now we'll say the animation name is box animation. This is the keyframe name which will which will declare here. Then animation duration, it is 1. Let's see if it's something happening or not. Okay. Then animation, this is the property we need, but I think we have to use WebKit. Animation duration. Okay. It's not get frames, it is keyframes. And we can define it before this thing. There may be some issue here. Animation name is box animation. WebKit animation duration is 1. Let's check out what are the issues here. If we inspect, then we can see animation duration. Okay, WebKit animation name is this thing, box animation, and I don't know what is the issue here. Maybe this thing we need. Okay, it is really very confusing. I will give it some other name, my keyframes, my keyframe, or something like that. Let's see if it works or not. It's not working. Okay, so no use of top 0% absolute. Can use animation name or something like that. Okay, let's check further. Now I can check like what is the issue. Okay, so it is animation name and animation duration. So yeah, we can play around with it. Now we'll use a second type of keyframe to define the way to define keyframe is like 0%, 10%, okay, or 25%, 50% is top 100 pixel, 100 pixel is top like 75% is left 0 pixel, okay, and 100% is left top 0 pixel. Let's create like 500 or something, or 200 will be better. Animation iter count is 3. Okay, we are iterating it for thrice. There is some issue. I think there is a slight issue. Okay, I think I'll set this as left 200 pixel, top 200 pixel, left 0 pixel. Okay, so yeah, we can do animation like this, or we can also do like this, like left 100 200 pixel, top 100 pixel, and then we'll say webkit transform, transform, rotate 90 degrees. We'll rotate it for 90 degrees from this position. Okay, and 75% will say 100% will say this one, then rotate 180 degrees. Yeah, so you can define a custom animation with this. So yeah, this is for like this is it for this video. And if you want to just subscribe the channel and like this video if you like it.